What's going on, guys? Richstylez here. Today in this video, we're going to be talking about building habits, good habits. There's this quote that I read. I forgot where it was from, but it was from a podcast that I listened to. And they said that purpose of a man is to level up every single day until he dies. God damn. When I read that, I was like, fuck, I need to be doing more. You know what I'm saying? So right now, I'm in the process of building more habits. As you can see, I'm trying to make one video every single day, which used to be hard for me because of my previous channel being destroyed by somebody. But starting a new channel, it's a little daunting, you know what I mean? But I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it anyway. So that's the habit I'm working on right now. I'm working actually on like restarting the YouTube channel, going to the gym every day, working on my business, taking acting classes again. Everything's starting to open up. The world is kind of getting to normal, at least over here where I'm at. So I feel safe in going out and exploring right now. So the first thing about habits is, trying to get over that hump of actually doing it. So the first step that I would recommend is just start really, really small. Do one little thing every single day that'll, propel you to your goal, whatever it is. Like if you want to go to the gym, do one push-up a day. And then once that gets easy for you, you can do 5 or 10, Just make it as easy as possible. The barrier of entry's gotta be as easy as possible. If you wanna learn how to dance, well, first of all, I got my dance courses down below in the description if you guys want to, learn how to dance it up in the club. At least once everything starts opening up. So check that out if you guys wanna learn to dance from home, using my Skillshare link. Also 2 months free for anybody who signs up using my link. So thanks Skillshare for helping out with this video. But yeah, start with small wins, okay? That's number. I think it was Albert Einstein who said, what was it called? I gotta look it up. Oh yeah, he said, compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it. Which means that if you're doing 1% of something every single day, you're not really going to see much. But as time goes on, whatever you're building, whatever habit you're building is gonna grow exponentially. Let's say 6 months down the line, you're doing 20 push-ups every day. You didn't realize that you just lost 10 pounds or something. You're not gonna see it at the moment, but it's all about patience. You gotta stick to it. Life is crazy, it takes us in different places, get busy, but the point is, if you miss a day, you wanna try to not miss 2 days, right? That's the 2-day rule. At least try not to miss 2 days in a row. And just get back on track. If you slip, just keep going, That's all you need to do to build your habits. You just need to start really small and then gradually build up to it. So whatever you're trying to do, if you're trying to lose weight, you're trying to build a business, you're trying to learn how to dance, you're trying to learn, how to write, whatever it is, just do little bits every single day that's going to, propel you to greatness. And that's how I'm building my habits right now. I'm doing small little things here and there, trying to rebuild this YouTube channel and, reinvent it, you know what I'm saying? Just more personal growth stuff. Because that's what I felt like I have been doing during quarantine, just focusing on myself and trying to learn new things, new skills. I've been learning how to play the guitar. I've been doing a little bit every single day. I started out with 5 minutes and then 20 minutes, and then all of a sudden I get into flow state where I didn't realize it, but one day I started playing guitar for 5 hours straight. And that's where you want to be with your habits. You want to You want to make it so automatic that you're not even thinking about it anymore. You know, you don't want to waste precious brain energy on thinking about doing things. Willpower, we only have so much willpower, you know, and you need to use that stuff wisely. So I think that building habits is like the best way to do it, all right? All right, guys, well, that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe and comment down below if this helped you out. And until next time, Richstylez, peace out.